Hello and welcome friends. In this particular video we are going to learn about the numerical distance protection. The distance protection is widely used. देखिए distance protection मैंने बहुत अच्छी तरीके से समझा है, आप देख सकते हैं चैप्टर 6, 5, 6 में या फिर 7 में. The distance protection is widely used for the protection of transmission line. The distance protection is based on the measurement of the impedance at the relay location. I repeat once again, the distance protection is based on the measurement of the impedance at the relay location. A protection scheme which uses numerical distance relays for the transmission line protection is called numerical distance protection scheme. A protection scheme which uses numerical distance relays for the transmission line protection is called numerical distance protection scheme. ये जो अपना फिगर मैंने यहाँ पे दिखाया है, देखिए बहुत अच्छी तरीके से आप ये वाकिफ़ होंगे, आगे पिछले आपने लेक्चर देखे होंगे तो पूरी तरह से ये सिमिलर ही है. फॉर मेजरिंग इम्पिडेंस और कंपोनेंट ऑफ इम्पिडेंस, the analog voltage and current signals are measured using CT and PT. These analog voltage and current signals contain DC transient offset also and harmonic frequency components in addition to the fundamental frequency component. The signal conditioning circuit separates the fundamental frequency voltage and current components, which is essential to calculate impedance. I repeat once again, this signal conditioning circuit separates the fundamental frequency voltage and current components, which is essential to calculate the impedance. Then the signals are converted to equivalent digital form, passing them through sample and hold circuit, analog multiplexer, and analog to digital converter. These digital signals are stored in the memory of microprocessor. So using numerical filtering algorithm, fundamental Fourier sines and cosine coefficient for both voltage and currents are calculated. These are used to express the voltage and current in the complex form. देखिए इस तरह से complex form हमें पता है क्या है, V is equal to Vx plus J Vy and I is equal to Ix plus J Iy. The resistance and reactance resistance यानी कि R and X that is reactive, that components of the impedance of the line as seen by the relay can then be computed as, इस तरह से हम compute कर सकते हैं Vx Ix plus Vy Iy divided by Ix square Iy square, and X is equal to Vy Ix minus Ix Iy divided by Ix square plus Iy square. So the program is used to calculate R and X values, यानी कि resistance and inductance, reactance, using above equation, this equation. And this algorithm includes the information about the characteristics to be implemented as impedance relay, reactance relay or Mohr relay. According to that we can set the value, we can choose the relay. Using the calculated values, the microprocessor takes the decision depending on whether the fault point lies within the defined protective zone of the relay or not. The tripping signal is then given to the digital to analog converter and is applied to a trip coil of a circuit breaker. ओके इस तरह से कुछ जो न्यूमेरिकल डिस्टेंस प्रोटेक्शन जो है वो वर्क करता है. उसके बाद अगर मैं देखूँ तो कुछ एडवांटेज है न्यूमेरिकल रिले के, देख लेते हैं हम. ये कुछ एडवांटेजेस है. फर्स्ट जो है वो क्या है, न्यूमेरिकल रिले इम्पोजेज लेस बर्डन ऑन CT and PD. इट इम्पोजेज लेस बर्डन ऑन CT PD. It can provide data history. It can provide data history for future reference. Third one unit can perform relaying of several systems. Only one unit can perform relaying of several systems. Fourth one, useful for centrally coordination system or centrally coordinate backup protection. Fifth one, the response of numerical relay is very fast. Sixth one, there are no moving parts. Hence less wear and tear, less maintenance and has longer life. Seventh one, it has high resistance to shock and vibration. Another one is complex protective schemes can be easily implemented with the help of logic circuits. I repeat, complex protective schemes can be easily implemented with the help of logic circuits. It is also very economical for large power system. Another one is what? It uses electronic circuit for functioning and hence compact in size. देखिए compact होगा क्योंकि ये यूज़ करता है, it uses electronic circuit for functioning and hence compact in size. Another one, it uses fewer components resulting in less interconnection and reduced components failures, hence it is more reliable, यानी कि reliable भी है. Numerical relay can be easily interfaced with digital communication equipments like fiber optical communications also. Another one is relay characteristics are stored in memory of microprocessor, hence it provides better matching of protection characteristics. ओके उसकी लिमिटेशंस जो है वो हम देख लेते हैं. देखिए लिमिटेशंस, न्यूमेरिकल प्रोटेक्शंस की लिमिटेशंस क्या है. फर्स्ट वन, प्रॉपर केयर ऑफ अर्थिंग मस्ट बी टेकन. प्रॉपर केयर ऑफ अर्थिंग यहाँ पे होना चाहिए, प्रॉपर होना चाहिए अर्थिंग, वो हमें जो है केयर लेनी पड़ेगी. उसके बाद इफ़ इट इज़ मल्टी फंक्शनल देन द फेलियर ऑफ वन एलिमेंट अफेक्ट्स ऑल द सिस्टम. अगर ये मल्टी फंक्शनल है आपके रिले, तो अगर एक एलिमेंट आपका खराब हो जाएगा तो दूसरे एलिमेंट को भी ये तकलीफ पहुँचा सकता है. उसके बाद द माइक्रो प्रोसेसर यूनिट नीड्स टू बी प्रॉपरली शील्डेड एज गेट्स अफेक्टेड बाय एक्सटर्नल इंटरफेसेस एंड एनवायरनमेंट. उसके बाद है हाई रिस्क ऑफ हैकिंग, ये हैक हो सकता है. उसके बाद द रिले कैन बी फास्टर बट नो यूज़ ऑफ इफ सर्किट ब्रेकर ऑपरेशन इज नॉट एज फास्ट एज रिले. जितना रिले का ऑपरेशन फास्ट है उतना सर्किट ब्रेकर फास्ट नहीं होगा, तो उसका कोई जो है वो मतलब नहीं रहेगा. इट हैज़ सेमी कंडक्टर डिवाइसेस विच आर टेम्परेचर सेंसिटिव, हैंस द ऑपरेटिंग कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स मे बी वेरी हाई विथ टेम्परेचर. It needs auxiliary power supply also. Electrostatic discharge may damage the component of the relay and it needs auxiliary power supply. Another last one but not the least, the relays are very sensitive to voltage variations, hence filters and regulators are needed. Okay, so what are the advantages? It uses electronic circuits for functioning and has compact in size, that we all know. Okay, thank you.